LightFair 2023 Reimagined, where the best and brightest in architectural and commercial lighting connect. Day one of the most inclusive and immersive lighting trade show and conference is switched on.
Being able to give a keynote speech here at LightFair was an amazing opportunity. It was so impressive to see how many members are working on control technologies.
The education at LightFair, I mean, it's very important. There's a lot of different tracks. It's important for emerging professionals as well as much more seasoned people that have been in the industry a long time.
The opening of the show floor brings plenty of opportunities to see innovations in outdoor lighting, decorative lighting, intelligent lighting systems, and more.
And so what we've done here is we've used this paper as the lighting material, as the diffusion material, and then we have LED light tiles there behind it, doing a really nice immersive glow in the space and really trying to show what the opportunity might be for immersive illumination.
So if you'll notice, as you sort of look down the tunnel, you can see almost a perfect circle. And that, kind of nods to the fact that we make our best efforts to use sustainable materials, recyclable materials, and this installation indicates that. So you can see that these petals, which is actually what they are, they're sort of versions of dahlia petals, dahlia flower petals. As you move across and see the colors move across them, you can actually look inside and see little seeds of light.
From illuminating installations to citywide tours, the experiences are unlimited at this year's LightFair. Be sure to stay connected and use the hashtag LightFair 2023.